Alright, I got knives here with another knife review. I got this today in the mail. I'm excited about it. Let's get into it. It's like 2 boxes in one. Alright, let's just start with one of these. Alright, let's see. Got some newspaper. But we got this in there. Look at that. Some rubber bands. It's a box of my custom Bbbarflies. This is gonna be cool. Wow, look at it. Comes in this display box. Fully customize your own Bbbarfly. So Bbbarfly has this deal where you can get your own graphics put on their Bbbarflies. You can do the OG or the OG2. The OG2 has a pivot system in it, and you can adjust it, unscrew, tighten and loosen it, and dial it in when it comes loose. So let's check this out here. Oh yeah. Wow, that's cool, like a little display area. Oh man. So this is supposed to be right in the center. I see it's a little different on some of them. So most of them look pretty darn close, like that's exact. These are probably all hand assembled, so they're not always perfect. That's okay. Oh man, let's see this. Look at that thing. This is massive on these. And the handles almost look shorter than the blade, but then they fit in. They fit. Oh, this feels great. It's so hard to flip under a camera. But kind of finally got the short stop. There it was. The short stop. So the design is like these weird like cactus plants. And it's red and gold. Says DRIGK on it for Damn Right I Got Knives. And it says, actually says Damn Right I Got Knives on one of the handles. You choose a handle color. So you get your design, you get their template, you make sure you're doing it all in the way that it's meant to be. And then they print up these see-through stickers. So the handle color you chose and what they printed goes on the handle. That was our design. On this one, it's only one of the design, and then on here, it's a bunch of them going smaller as it goes along. And I think that looks really great. These are loud, but not crazy loud either. It's got a clang to it, like it belongs in a bar. They printed on the blade, Bbbarfly, and you can learn all the tricks on this thing. Fanning. So you put your graphics on them, then you choose what model you want. This is the OG2, which you can adjust this. Opens your drinks. These feel so girthy and big in your hands. Overall length is 10 inches. Handles are 4 1/4. Call the blade is 4 3/4. Awesome, I'm stoked. I'm gonna be selling these in my store and up on my website. So you send them the design and they send you these to sell. I got 20 of them, so 10 per box. So another Bbbarfly that I have is this guy right here, the V2. It's much quieter. There's weights in the handles. It's just a different beast. It flips really well. It's a sandwich construction where this is channeled aluminum, and this is aluminum also. It's a very different feel. Similar size handles and all that. This one feels even a little bulkier, although they look very similar. I'm gonna be giving one of these away in some sort of drawing when I reach 500 subscribers on this YouTube channel. Shopsowet.com will have them. This is a pretty thick piece, and the spine is nice. It's not bad. I actually like it. It's not smooth and rolled and rounded, but it's not edgy either. Yeah, the edge on these is not bad. So when you're doing chaplains, it doesn't hurt a lot. When you're doing things with it. This thing has a lot of momentum behind the handle. It's fun to flip. We're listening to Muslim Gauze in the background here, which it's like electronic, trippy, dubby, field recordings. Really cool stuff this guy does. He passed away, sadly, but he left us with some great records, great artwork, really amazing stuff, really soothing, trip-hoppy, electronic jams. It's a double record. Sprouts coconut water. Use this to get under that lid. There we go. First use of it. What more can I say about this? Let's see. Serge, who I dealt with, great at communicating. At first it was a little weird because we were on the message board on Etsy. You know, nobody always checks their Etsy, but as soon as we got onto email and I started sending him the designs, and the email correspondence went back and forth, super smooth, very nice, very polite. Everything happened timely, no complaints at all about Bbbarfly. They're up in Canada. Even that shipping from Canada was a reasonable amount of time. These are just hefty and really well done, and really fun to learn how to flip with them, or if you've already been flipping, they're really fun to play with. Totally unthreatening as well. That's another good thing. So kids can play with these and just have a fun time learning how to flip, and they're not going to cut themselves. They are heavy, so you could thwack yourself, but it doesn't hurt. Unless you took this and like thwacked another kid on the head with it, which probably does happen from time to time. But that's not this thing's fault. When this falls on your foot, it hurts. Fans really well. Another reason I went with white is I just feel like white films really well too. I've learned that the silver knives and the white look really good on film, and you're flipping. They just, I don't know, for some reason they look nice to me. Put this back here, and then it sits in your shop like that on display. I think this looks kind of neat, and I kind of want it up near the counter somewhere, but we'll see what happens. I'm not sure where they'll be displayed in the shop yet. Damn right I got knives. If you're here on my Instagram, follow our Shop Sowet. We also have Facebook. We sell vinyl knives, turntables, balisongs, clothing, home decor. We get to like play with the things we love and sell them. You know, me and my wife, we just have this store, and whatever we think is cool and we're into, or you know about, or want to share with people, that's what we're selling. So that's kind of the real concept. But a lot of times people just open a place because they want to open a convenience store, and they don't necessarily care too much about what they're selling, where I am really into flipping and balisongs and knives and records and turntables and woodwork, which I do a lot of, which is what took me on my part of my knife journey. All came from woodwork, and I already had a record store or was selling records, and I started my YouTube channel and reviewing knives, and I was listening to music and vinyl and talking about it, and I was like, why am I not selling knives at my shop? And then I just started looking at ways that I could sell knives and have pocket knives in my shop. I can't have live blade balisongs because I'm in California, so I can't legally sell them. I can sell trainers. I'm a Squid Industries dealer. Now I'm doing Bbbarflies. I have like those Spyderco pens from time to time. All kinds of pocket knives, but Finch knives, Civivi, Spyderco, Yeah. Thanks to Bbbarfly for making these awesome things. Thank you to my wife for helping design this. You know, I kind of had some idea, but we were looking for an image and we kind of both just gravitated to this one. And then I messed around with the colors and she helped me in Illustrator. So she helped me set up the files to get sent out. Thank you guys. Adios amigos. This is Damn Right I Got Knives signing out.